Hello and welcome to this Volkswagen car sales video on this 2018 18 reg Mk7 Golf R DSG 3-door 310 horsepower. So it's an early 7.5 with the 310 horsepower pre-OPF engine. It's had one owner from pretty much new. It's pre-registered by Northampton Volkswagen. He bought it at 7 miles and kept it until now when he offered it to me directly. He's a subscriber to my YouTube channel and was replacing it with a Porsche Macan. I beat his Part X price. It's quite an interesting spec because it's a 3-door, it's in Tornado Red, it's got the black Pretorias and the black mirrors, it's also got Dynaudio. It's done 84,800 miles, and which is average really for an 8-year-old car. The history though is unbelievable. So initially with Volkswagen, and then he used VRS in Northampton, who are one of the best specialists. Have a lot of respect for those guys, and the car's been effectively over-serviced. Even though it's done just over 80,000 miles, it's had 2 gearbox oil changes, it's had regular Haldex, but most importantly, it's had regular oil changes. So even though it's done the miles and it's priced like a car with the miles, I can guarantee you mechanically, cosmetically, it's better than the typical car, and that's why it's on sale here. Helping matters is that we have 4 Michelin tyres all round. They're about 6.5mm on the front, about 4 to 5 on the back. Brand new front brake discs and pads. Got rid of the original discs, so they've done quite well. And these ones on the back, I think, are very recent from VW, so you won't be spending any money on brakes and tyres. Original number plates, front and back, Northampton Volkswagen. And cosmetically, there's not really anything to report. The front end has been painted at some point to a very high standard. There is one chip. Normally at this mileage they'd be ruined, so bear that in mind. It's beautiful, beautiful. You would never know. There's a couple of little chips in the roof that I've touched in. I can't even find them now. I think there's one there. The sides are all perfectly straight, no car park dents, no load lip scratches. Yeah, wheels are all perfect. We had 2 refurbished and 2 of the original finish. So yeah, black Prets, genuine Volkswagen ones. So yeah, condition-wise, I think you'll be very, very impressed. Let's have a look inside and start on this side. We've got some look like brand new mats with contrast stitching to match the seats. We have got the complete book pack, SD card for the nav, and the Volkswagen data plug there. In the back, it's not seen much action. Centre console's not all kicked about. Door card's good. Stickers are present here. Driver side is good as well. So the previous owner was quite large and the bolster was a bit worn, so we've had that repaired by LM Trimming in Kenilworth. First job they've done for us, done a really good job. Cost a lot of money, 220 quid to repair that, but it's worth it. So the seat's really good, back is really good, door card is great. Again, brand new floor mats, stainless pedals, cup holder, electric parking brake, front centre armrest, steering wheel's good, 85,831 miles. So DSG, foot on the brake. And then we have no warning lights apart from parking brake, which I can turn off if you want, and seat belts. So CarPlay, desperate to connect there, just plug it in with a USB down there. Good standard spec on these cars, so you've got adaptive cruise, you have got paddle shifters, you've got auto headlights, you've got Apple CarPlay, dual climates. Yeah, it's everything you could need. Plus, you've got Dynaudio, which gives you a pretty speaker there, and it also gives you a sub in the boot. So the boot's really tidy as well. And down there, space saver spare and Dynaudio sub. No bolts touched here. Let's now have a look under the bonnet. Got 2 keys. So none of the bolts appear to have been disturbed on the wings or the bonnet, and it's lovely and tidy. Soundproofing pad almost fits correctly. And yeah, really nice. There is a little chip in the windscreen there that's been repaired, so it's not an MOT issue, but it's there. It's not the original windscreen either, but it's done a few miles. But you should be able to get that replaced on your insurance should you wish that. It's just a bit of dirt. Well, thanks for watching this Volkswagen car sales video on this 2018 18 reg Mk7 Golf R DSG 3-door. If you need any more information, mate, don't hesitate to contact me by email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk.